We are at the Komodo Islands. Look at that sunset from the Komodo Islands. And I'm gonna tell you how much this private boat costed. Now I'll show you this boat. Watch as the flying foxes sail through the sky. We are at the Komodo Islands. We are going to stay this night at the Green Hill Boutique Hotel. And the plan for today, because we've just arrived from the airport, is having lunch at a good restaurant. We want to try some good seafood. And after that, we'll try to find a nice boat that will bring us to the islands nearby. So let's try to find it. This is the hotel where we are staying, and very nice. We have a terrace there. Arvin, what have we just made?
We just met some fishermen and asked them if we can go on a boat. We're going to visit their boat.
And we're at the port. We went directly to the source.
Yeah.
That's how you have to do it.
If you can sail a boat, take me out to see the sea.
Good morning from Labuan Bajo. Today we are heading to our 3-day trip and we are starting to spot our boat. We think it's that one. I might be wrong though.
The soil is good. The water is pretty clear. I saw one rat. And I'm excited.
Our first stop is going to be Pulau Kelor. This island right here, we can do a small hike up there and see some fish, hopefully. We are going to do snorkeling around here. Let's go. Now we are heading back to the boat because we have to go to the next beach. Ready to eat? Guys, more than ready. We've just arrived to Manjarite Beach, and what we are going to do here basically is the same as again. Snorkeling, swimming and seeing out of fish and coral. This beach is on the main island, so we are not on small island. We'll see how it is. What was your dream about, Kai? Again?
Driving in East Java.
Was it good?
No, it was horrible.
Traumatic?
Yeah, very.
You are now in Komodo, now it's fine.
I felt safe when I woke up.
Look at that sunset from the Komodo Islands. I'm going to do now a boat tour, and I'm gonna tell you how much this private boat costed. So it was 9,600,000 rupees for 3 persons. So that was 3,200,000, and which would be translated to 600 US dollars the whole boat, or $200 per person. And the tour is going to be for 3 days and 2 nights. Now I'll show you this boat. Here's where you can chill even if you are wet. You have here some stairs that they put there so that you can go out and to get off the boat and on the boat. It's really nice that it has that part, because even if the waves come, you are not gonna have any problems. Thanks to that thing, what's going to happen is that the boat is going to be much more stable, so you won't have to worry, even if you have seasickness. Here's where our captain is. There's the kitchen. They are preparing the dinner right now. Oh wow, that's not very safe. Wow, look at those views. And now let's go to our room. It's here. We have a bed for 2-3 people. There's no air conditioning, but there's light. And we have a fan there too. You have some space to put your stuff. There it's going to be a bit too hot for 3 persons during the night. So I might consider sleeping outside actually with some mosquito spray. Here we have the sunset again. We have here the bathroom, looks just like that. Some paper, some light, and that shower, although I wouldn't take a shower here. You have the sea, the place to chill. We have there some cool box to put the beers, water, and here's where everything happens basically. We've come to the island Pulau Koaba to see the sunset and witness the migration of the flying foxes, which are supposed to go out from this island, that is the Pulau Koaba, although the locals call it Kalong Island, and they are gonna fly out from these mangroves into the sky. I'll put in the screen the best spot where I think you should place the boat in order to see the flying foxes, because they are gonna go out from the island and you should have on the background the sunset. Those are the best views you're gonna get. And now it's dinner time. The majestic food of Komodo. If you like this video and wanna watch more adventures, subscribe to the channel and click the like button. This way you'll also help us improve our reach and the quality of our videos. Come along with us to explore the hidden places of the world. See you in the next episode.